Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a two-player ping pong game. So we're gonna be using the W and S keys and the up and down arrow. So let's just start off by deleting the scratch card and choosing the backdrop. I like neon tunnel for this. I'm just gonna choose neon tunnel, and we're gonna add some sprites. First the ball, and then the paddle. But we're gonna have to rotate the paddle like that. No, rotate it like straight. Yep. Now we're just gonna name this player one paddle. So this is gonna be for player one, and we're just gonna duplicate this and name this for player two paddle. And now we're gonna need just a bit more sprites. We're gonna paint a new sprite and then go to lion and make this. I'm just gonna make this red, and I'm gonna increase this to 20. I like 20, but you can just whatever you want. Just drag it like that. Wait, I'm just gonna do like that. Okay. So basically, we want a line which is gonna be measuring the when it hits here, it's gonna decrease the points. So we want something measuring that. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, we can't put it here. Yep, we can put it there. And I'm gonna name this as player one line. Okay, we can just duplicate this and make this right here. Okay, and I'll make this player two line. So now we're done with all these sprites, and now we just need to do the coding. So first we're gonna start off with the ball. So but then we're just gonna be needing some variables. So let's just go. I'm just gonna delete this, make a new variable. So the variables we're gonna be needing is player one score and the player two score. So player one score and player two score. Okay. So I'm done with our variables, and now we're gonna start coding. So when green flag is clicked, we're gonna set both player one score and player two score to 0. And we're gonna make it as forever. We're gonna take a forever loop, and we're gonna make it as move around like 20 steps. And I'm just gonna put 15, or I'm just gonna put 20. And make sure this is on. This is a very important one. If on edge bounce, so when it touches the edge, it's gonna bounce, so we don't need to code that. If on edge bounce, and now we're gonna take another when green flag is clicked, and this time it's gonna be measuring this thing. So when we're gonna first be needing forever loop, of course. So now forever, if it is touching player one line, then it's gonna change. So like if it is touching player two line, it's gonna change player one score by 1. So if it is touching the player player two score, so basically if it's touching player one, the line right here, it's gonna change the player two score to 1, because basically player one missed. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these right there. Now let's go back to the ball. So we're just gonna basically be doing that. And now I think we're gonna add some sounds. So yeah, I'm gonna add that. So when it's gonna hit, I'm gonna start this sound pop, start sound pop, and now we're gonna turn 300 degrees, 300 degrees, and now we're gonna move 20 steps again. And we're gonna just wait 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. So now we're basically done with this. We just need to do it again for player 2. So again, I think I'm just gonna duplicate this here. So if touching player 2 line, change player 1 score by 1, and then I'm just gonna go here and start the sound pop. Okay, and now move 20 steps and wait 0.1 seconds are perfectly good. And maybe like if you want like an overall sound, you can also make these. And if you want some animations, the ball actually does have a bunch of costumes like these. So what I'm gonna do is take another when green flag clicked, control, and we're gonna grab a forever loop and make sure we're gonna take the next costume, and we're gonna wait 0.3 seconds, I think. So yep, it's gonna be like that. So now the balls coding is done. Let's start with the player 1 paddles coding. So here it's very simple. We're just gonna take when green flag click. Just in case, I'm just gonna make it show, and I'm gonna go to if. Since it's player 1, he's gonna be using W and S keys. We're gonna take if. Wait, we forgot to take an if. Just go here. If key. What else? W. Yep. If W is pressed, it's gonna change the Y value by 20. So it's basically gonna go up by a bit. Change Y by 20, and now we can just duplicate it. Put this here, and now we're gonna make it S because it's right down W. S. Yep. Here, and instead of changing the Y, it's gonna change the Y value by minus 20. But so it's basically gonna come down. That's it for player 1, and then I think it's basically we can just make this go here. Okay, and now just change this things to up arrow and this to down arrow. So now we can also move the paddles. So you like this, like these. I'm controlling both currently. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to player 1 line. It's almost done. We're just gonna, oh wait, I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. So now it's basically our ping pong games work. So yeah, our mini ping pong game. But now maybe we should create like an end screen. So I think when player 1 score or I'm just gonna code this in ball again. So go to when we reflect forever, and if player 1 score is equal to if player 1 score is equal to, wait, I think I can just add an or right here. Is it an or? Yeah, I'm just gonna make an or here, make here. Oh, we can't do that. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do it in separate ways. Delete it. Make if player 1 scores equal to, I don't know, around 15. We're gonna create a new backdrop. I'm gonna go here. We can just make it with this one. I'm gonna make this fully red, I don't know, green. And I want no outline. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cover these spots. It doesn't really matter, and it is gonna make sure I'm gonna make this as win for player 1. Make this congratulations. Oh, I'm typing green. So oh my god. So I'm just gonna make this blue. So congratulations, player 1. You have won. Make that here, and now we can change this to marker handwriting. I'm gonna make it as pixel, bit big. Actually, I'm gonna make it as marker. I like it better with marker, but it's your choice. Make it there, and I'll just duplicate this, and win player 2 is already there. If player 2, you have won. So yep, we've filtered the backdrops, and now I'm just gonna make sure we're gonna make the backdrop. Wait, we're gonna switch. Where's the switch backdrop? Yeah, switch the backdrop to when player 1, and just make sure to start it off. We're gonna make it as neon tunnel, and then just duplicate this. So we're gonna remove this and instead put player 2. And if player 2 score, which is the variable right here, is equal to 15, it's gonna make this as win player 2, and it's gonna switch the backdrop to win player 2. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that when this is clicked, we're gonna be needing a show block for all of these. I'm gonna put a show here, show, but when green flag clicked, show. I'm just gonna duplicate it here. Okay, yeah, so now we have a show block for all of these. So now, because the reason is we're gonna make it as when the backdrop switches to win player 1, it is gonna hide, because just not to come in the way. Duplicate this, put it if the backdrop change to win player 2, also hide. I'm just gonna put it in my backpack to distribute, to make this to all. Just go here, grab this out, where is it? Here, yeah. So now wrap this, now wait, this, I'll just make it 1. Okay, so now go here and make this out and make this. So now, yep, make this out and make this out. Go here. So now let's check it out. Just gonna make player 2 win. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, we're gonna make it as if it touches, if let's get a win green flag clicked forever, if touching player 1 paddle, it is just gonna I think we're just gonna make it as move 10 steps. Oh no, I'm gonna make it as change x by 10. Yeah, change x by 10. Just duplicate this right here and make this as player 2 paddle, and make this as change x by minus 10. So let's see here. Wait. Oh, I think we made the opposite. We're supposed to make this change x by minus 10 and make this 10. Yeah. Now let's see. Okay. Yep. It's gonna go in the opposite way. So now I'm just gonna make player 2 win. Yay. So it's gonna have to reach 15 steps to win, and then it's gonna show the backdrop. 14 and 15. Congratulations, later you have won. And just go here and just make sure that when backdrop switches, I'm just gonna make it as wait 2 seconds and stop all script. Stop all, not stop all scripts, stop all. And now let's go here and make this to win player 1. There we go. So thank you guys for watching. This is my ping pong game and hope you enjoy. Thank you.